Hi there, my name is Frank and this is my artifact. Firstly, I'm working at AOS and this is their system, government smart admin system. It's a system what they designed for the government officials, help them operate and move their activities online, like the e-approve or when they want some documents to be approved by a certain organization or even themselves. Also, they can upload their folders, build folders here inside, um, get tasks, resolve things if whether rooms or what. Here, contacts, emails, and the rest. So, back to my artifact. Seeing that it's an IT company, I tried to come up with designing an auditing application where it will require them to keep the records of what they're doing. Maybe to give you a picture of what I'm saying, let me show you from here. So first, I'll record, I'll register all the users of of the team here as the admin, the auditors, and the manager, and the rest. And also here, record all their audits, like the auditors record their audits and what they have found here, and also the recommendations, what they tend to like they recommend on the audits, and also then the managers will create a corrective action, like what have improved or what, something like that. So in retrospect, I'm trying to keep the data of what they are improving from where it began to where they are going, which I think it will help them. Otherwise, the time I spent there, I saw they meet, they discuss, they see the changes. It's a big team. So where great uh, ideas are shared, but not really recorded, which sometimes as human beings we tend to forget. So here I built a database and also an API since I was added in the QA team. So studying in on the APIs, I tried to come up with a project that would help the company at large, but also as a person, help me learn how to test the APIs and how to build with APIs and how to connect them. I used Postman test. So here I can call all the users. Those users I added them from here, but I think that I won't allow me to do so again. But as you see, you can see all the users that I have already. You can check audit and get the audit made. Yeah, even other stuff. So, but one thing I can mention here is on the authentication, I generate a token when I register the admin, and again I log in using the admin's email and password. The response would be a token, and that token is the one I've put in here. So whatever I'm doing, I'm using the credential here as the token to allow me to operate some methods like the get, the put, and the delete. So I think the logic is clear. The users, the recommendations, different. I'm still working on it. It's not yet done because I tend to add in some other data like the sessions, the comments, the others, many other stuff to help them keep the record of the progress. And I think this can even be important data on a larger scale, like even big companies need to do audits. It it will help even everyone. So another thing I can say is on my side, it's helping me learn because through this I'm learning how to operate, how to connect APIs, and how to build the database and modify API and stuff. Test using Postman to see what's working, what hasn't worked yet, things like that. Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm still on progress.